Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years, and I've been very fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using direct mail and social media marketing. So with that being said, yesterday, I went about my day. I went to the soap shop, did a few things there, and then Tina and I had to go and deliver soap. We deliver soap in our local area to some of our wholesalers. And so we did that. And then when I got home, the mailman brought me two pieces of mail from American Bill Money. So I decided to do a live video last night, and I opened up those pieces of mail, and one of them had a check in it for $100. Two new people signed up with me, so they're paying out 50 or 100% commissions now, which equates to $50, because that's what it takes to join American Bill Money, $50. So the company's paying out 100% commission. So I received a $100 check from that, and then I received $1,020 in money orders from somebody who joined me a week or so ago, and then went ahead and upgraded for a full year. So I had over $1,100 in the mailbox yesterday. All right. And I'm not telling you that to brag or anything like that, because, you know, that's not my style. I'm just simply telling you that to show you what is possible if you decide to start your own direct mail company, or if you are already part of direct mail, why you shouldn't give up on it. Because you never know when somebody's going to do something like that, you know? You never know when somebody's going to join you. You never know if somebody's going to upgrade. You never know when $1,000 or more could be in the mailbox. All right, it's just one of those things. But know that if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, you will get results over time. You know, and there's no way to guarantee your results or when you're going to get them. You know, I can't guarantee you'll make any money, or I can't guarantee when you'll make money if you ever do. It's all dependent on your work ethic and how consistent you stay. But just know that if you show up and mail out postcards and flyers or letters, or however you market your opportunities, just do it every single day, even when you don't feel like doing it, even when you feel like you're not getting the results that you want. You can't give up on yourself. You have to stay with it and stick with it and stay positive and trust the process and believe that your efforts are going to pay off at some point down the road. All right? That's what I say in all my videos. That's what separates the winners and the losers. The winners stay consistent. So I'm headed over to the soap shop now. I'm going to take care of a few things, and then I'm going to go to the mailbox, because I always have letters to mail out. I'm always mailing out new letters, okay? And then after that, I'm going to go to the bank, and I'm going to deposit these checks and money orders that I have from American Bill Money. And I have another check here for $30 from American Bill Money that I got last week. So I'm going to deposit $1,150 into my account today, and $1,120 of that was from yesterday. So that's a pretty good payday when you stop and think about it, you know. And once you start doing this and you take action and you stay consistent and you don't give up on it, and you're not jumping from program to program to program, you can get checks in your mailbox all the time. I get checks in my mailbox every week. And I'm not a special marketer. I'm just somebody who takes action and shows up every day. And anybody can do this. You just have to want it bad enough. Most people don't want it bad enough, you know? And this is it's a simple system. American Bill Money is a simple system. It's been around for 22 years now. It has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. They have an excellent follow-up service. The company will close sales on your behalf. It's everything you need to get, you get everything you need, except you have to buy postcards when you get started, okay? But you're going to get the leads in the mail every month, and you can get started for $50 a month. Have your own direct mail business. And you can use the leads for whatever you want to. You can use them for any opportunity that you're a part of. You can even resell them if you want to. So what I do is I just take my programs and I share them in an envelope with a nice little letter, and I get people to my sites all the time, to my Join Russ page all the time. it just works. And the point of this video, again, it's not to brag that I made $1,000+ yesterday. All right, that's chump change for a lot of people, but it's a lot of money for a lot of people. All right, so I'm not saying it to brag or anything like that. That's not my style. I'm just simply showing proof that, you know, when people are writing to me and they're like, oh, I've mailed out 100 postcards, or I've been doing this for 5 weeks now, or 2 months, and I haven't gotten any results yet, just know that at any time, any of these letters or flyers or postcards that you're mailing out can turn into a sale. You just never know when it's gonna happen. And like I said, it could take a while, it could happen right away. There's no way of knowing. But I know for a fact that this person who joined me and then upgraded came from one of the postcards I sent out. All right, came from one of my letters. And it doesn't get any easier. I keep this as simple as possible. When people join me, you get my resource page, you get my letter template, you get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have questions or need any help. I'm here to help you out, but there's a caveat to that. You have to be willing to help yourself. I don't help people who whine and complain and name call and point fingers and say that, you know, I work with people who want to help themselves. I work with people who take action. I'm not doing the work for you, okay? Sometimes people join me and they think I'm going to do the work for them. I'm doing my own work. You know, I'm doing my own work. I will point you in the right direction. I will answer all your questions that you have. I will guide you the best that I can, all right? I'm here to help you out, but I don't do the work for you, okay? And that's just how it works. I mean, if you want I have a 30-day coaching program where I will show you exactly what to do every single day for 30 days. Because we all know that if you do something for 30 days, it becomes part of your daily routine. It becomes a habit. And I also have a 60-minute phone call where I'll give you a layout of what you need to do. But I don't do the work for you, okay? That's your job. That's your job. But the point is that consistency equals results, and anybody can do this. If I can do this, you can do it. All right, I'm just somebody who takes action and I don't give up. I'm not stopping. I'm going to build the biggest mailbox money empire ever, period. That's it. There's nobody that is going to outwork me when it comes to direct mail marketing. There's people out there right now that make far more money than I do, and that's fine. They've been doing it a lot longer than me, but I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. So if you want proof of, I'm not going to show you these checks because I don't want to block well, I guess I could. It doesn't really matter. You know what? This is a $30 money order that came in last week. Here's a $100 money order that came in. This was in my mailbox yesterday, okay? I just cover up bank information and numbers, you know? This is a $20 money order that came in yesterday in my mailbox. And then here's the $1,000 money order that came in my mailbox. Okay, so there's your proof. I'm gonna go take care of stuff here at the soap shop, go mail out my letters here, and then I'm gonna go to the bank and deposit that money. All right, and then what I'm doing, I'm just taking this $1,000 and I'm reinvesting it back into my business. Right, so I'll buy more postcards, more envelopes, more stamps, everything I need, and I'm just gonna keep putting money back into my business, and I'm just gonna keep scaling it. All right, that's what I do. That's how you do it. You know, you can take some of the money out, treat yourself to something, pay a bill, whatever you need to do, and then take some of the money and reinvest it back into your business. And that's how you scale it. All right, but it's super simple to do. It's super, super simple to do. And I have a link down below here where you can get more information on American Bill Money, my newsletter, all of that stuff, my coaching programs. You can watch my video that I did last night, my live video, where I open up the envelopes and all that. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch this. If you find value in my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Click that notification bell and give me a thumbs up if you find value in my videos. You can also share this with other people. If you know somebody who might find value in my videos, I appreciate that as well. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have an awesome day and take action.